Hello guys, look what I got. The 4-in-1 USB charging cable, 4 ways to charge. Let's plug it in. I'm charging my iPhone with the USB-C port, super quick and easy. And see how it's glow. The colorful light made it easy to find it at night. Now I'll charge my Motorola phone. Just used a different end of the same cable. Works for everything. Now let's change USB-C to USB-A. And miracle, again, it's working. It's not just convenient. Look how strong and flexible it is, thanks to the thick silicone wire. Want one? Click the link to get yours now.